Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. It's fan art time, and today I am so proud of myself because I believe it hasn't been that long compared to usual since my last fan art video. So I hope you cuties are very happy about my efforts to showcase your fan art because you cuties totally deserve it. So before, like usual, it's going to be a giveaway today, and it's going to be a Starbucks card, of course, because I know you cuties love Starbucks just like me. But before we start on showing you the role of fan art like I usually do, I wanted to once again showcase some fan art that I got. And let's start with, let's see here. Let's start with one here by Juliana. And sorry, cuties, if I'm butchering your name, I'm trying my best. So this one here is by Juliana. And oh, she did my rainbow surprise cake right here. So this is her version of it. I thought it was just so sweet. Ta-da! Pretty cute, right? And thank you, Juliana. And then this one here, oh my goodness. This is by Abigail. And yes, Abigail, I will send these back to you. But she practically drew all my pusheen. This is just so amazing. So I'm just going to go through really quickly. I think she probably drew all my pusheen. I have 2, 3, 4. And she's so good at it too. 5, 6, 7, 8, let's see here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Wow, right? Amazing. Thank you so much for these. Just beautiful. They're just gorgeous. And yes, like I said, I am going to send them back to you. Thank you so much, Abigail. And so the next one is going to be by Catherine. I just thought these were so sweet. I taped them together because she sent them to me separate, but so sweet and so cute, right? Look at this. Thank you, Abigail. And then this one here is from Emmy. She kind of made me a card. Look at this, so cute, right? Ta-da! Pretty awesome. And then she has a little riddle here. So I guess I'll just read it to you. Her riddle is, what question can you never say yes to? And the answer to the riddle is, are you asleep yet? Thank you, Emmy, for that riddle. And she's asking me, how long have you been drawing on YouTube? I think it's been like 5 years. I started in 2014, end of 2014, but I didn't really start until middle of 2015. So yeah, it's been like 5 years. Oh, wow, right? How time flies. And who or what taught you how to draw? I don't really know. It's just something I've always loved to do. I've always just loved to draw. And so like I always tell you cuties, if you love to draw, just keep at it and keep practicing, keep just looking out there and seeing things that will inspire you to be creative, and just keep at it. And that's just how you get better. And I am still learning every day, and I am hopefully getting better every day too. So the next one, oh, thank you, Emmy. And so the next one here, I just wanted to show you. Look at this. Thank you for sending this and making this for me. This does not end. Look at this. I can't even show it to you all on the camera, but look at this amazingness. And I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name, but this is by JD, I hope. Jadi, I'm sorry, but thank you so much for this beautiful, amazing, just a cute fan art. And it doesn't end there either. Look, there's more on the other side. Wow, right? Thank you so much. I just had to show you that one. And okay, so let's see here. I will show you, I have the winner right here, but I'll show you at the end. So let's get watching all the beautiful fan art. So there, that's all the fan art this time, and I hope you love seeing them. And I know you cuties are waiting to see who is going to win this Starbucks gift card. And oh, here it is. Isn't this just the cutest card? So this is the Starbucks gift card that this lucky person is going to win. And the person is, oh wait, here. Ta-da! Cora. Cora sent me these this card. Oh, I can't bend it. And all these beautiful pictures that she drew. And she even sent me a picture of herself, but I don't think I'm allowed to show that. But I'm picking her all because, not only because of this beautifulness, but her sister, I'm going to block her face. She also sent me a card as well with her beautiful drawings. And I'm sorry, Tessa, I know you sent me a lot more images, but I don't know, I've misplaced them. But I wanted to thank both of you, Tessa and Cora, for your beautiful fan art. And I hope you'll look forward to getting this Starbucks gift card, and I will get another one since there's 2 of you. But thank you once again, and thank you, Jurassic Cuties, for staying here and watching and listening to me babble. And see you soon on the next fan art. And so I can't wait for you to send me more, and send it to that address up here somewhere. And I'm looking forward to them. Thank you, Jurassic Cuties, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.